Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today we have a submitted video from Marie Kaufman on how to untangle a knot with coconut oil.
Trying to get a knot out of a cord is nearly impossible. I'm going to show you how to do it with the use of coconut oil. Rub it on. Coconut oil works really well for anything that you need to get out or apart. We got cockleburrs out of our golden retriever's fur using coconut oil. And you just take a safety pin, start loosening it. Still takes a little time, but it works. It's always nice when somebody puts a knot in your cords. These knots have been here for quite some time, so see it's starting to loosen. So much easier than fighting it, huh? Or cutting it off. So, next time you have a knot you can't get out, grab the coconut oil. Makes life easy. Ta-da!
And there you have it, how to remove a knot using coconut oil. What an awesome trick. Guys, comment below thanking Marie Kaufman for this great submission. In addition, I hope you hit the like button and the subscribe button for future videos. Thank you.